1.5 years of R&D behind. And क्या आपको तकलीफ है अगर हम
This is more like a compliment. हमारे बैकएंड पे हम सारे एफर्ट्स ले रहे हैं कि इसको और अफोर्डेबल बना सके.
We have no chemicals, we have no preservatives, we have no emulsifiers. In the next couple of months, you're going to see a lot more products that are coming in from the Health Factory.
Hello everyone, I'm Mohit.
And I'm Vinay. We're the founders at the Health Factory. And today our marketing team has given a couple of customer reviews that we'll address.
I used THF earlier, but now I've switched to another brand. Their bread stays soft for 10-12 days. Yours get hard in a week.
Has anyone ever questioned why bread stays fresh for 10-12 days? It's usually the emulsifiers, the preservatives that make it last, packs the moisture in, and it compacts all the unnatural stuff in it so that the bread actually lasts longer. Our product, we have no chemicals, we have no preservatives, we have no emulsifiers. So yes, our bread gets hard in a week, our bread does also expire.
There's another one. Saw you guys on Shark Tank first, thought you'll be a bread brand. अब तो रस्क, पिज़्ज़ा बेस सब बनाते हो. क्यों भाई ब्रेड का सेल नहीं हो रहा है क्या? शायद आपने शार्क टैंक ढंग से नहीं देखा. उसमें हमने कहा था द हेल्थ फैक्ट्री इज एन अम्ब्रेला नेम.
And क्या आपको तकलीफ है अगर हम But anyway, the idea behind the Health Factory was everyday consumer products without habit transformation. But our core ethos is behind building products जो आप बहुत familiar हो, जो आपके चाय टाइम पे आ रहे हैं. So that was the reason why multiple categories. In the next couple of months, you're going to see a lot more products that are coming in from the Health Factory.
Your ingredient list is too simple. Feels like something is missing or like all other brands, you are hiding something.
On one side, the consumer says सब निकालो, और जब सब निकालते consumer बोलता है कि क्यों निकालो. When you're building a brand, you see both sides of the world, right? The idea for us was let's stick to minimal household ingredients जो आप सब पढ़ सकते हो.
This is more like a compliment because to get something right without those ingredients was the hardest thing that we did, right?
Yeah, and when he says that, right, I know the sleepless nights that we've actually had in formulating products, and this is an ever-going journey for us.
Next one is Neha from Delhi. Your bread doesn't even look properly brown. शायद तुम्हारे bread में wheat नहीं है. Brown bread तो brown होना चाहिए ना?
या आप सही बोल रहे हैं, ब्राउन ब्रेड ब्राउन होना चाहिए, बट वो ब्राउन कहाँ से हो रहा है वो जानना ज़रूरी है. ब्राउन ब्रेड यूजुअली हैज़ कैरेमल, मॉल्ट एंड आर्टिफिशियल कलर्स जिससे ब्राउन बनता है. क्या आपने हमारे प्रोडक्ट को आपकी रोटी से कंपेयर किया है? अगर आप साइड बाय साइड रखेंगे, हमारा ब्रेड और आपकी रोटी 99.99% सेम कलर है, बिकॉज वी यूज द सेम एग्जैक्ट चक्की फ्रेश आटा जिससे आप घर की रोटी बना रहे हैं.
Another one is Amit from Pune. You say your rusk is zero maida, but how it tastes so good? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
अमित एक्चुअली गड़बड़ है. 1.5 साल पहले लॉन्च करने वाला था, अभी जस्ट रिसेंटली लॉन्च किया हूँ. गड़बड़ ये है कि फॉर्मुलेशन ही क्रैक नहीं हो रहा है, राइट? सब निकाल लिया है, शुगर्स कम कर दिए हैं, मैदा निकाल दिया है, होल व्हीट डाल दिया है, प्रिजर्वेटिव्स निकाल दिए, एमल्सिफायर्स निकाल दिए. 1.5 years of R&D behind making the rusk as good as your regular rusk so that it tastes absolutely right. The crunch is absolutely perfect. So Amit, that's a compliment, and we're launching a couple of more rusks. They're on its way to you. You can DM me your details and you'll be surprised that the products that we're now launching have got a snack angle to it. So please check it out.
भाई 2.5 स्टार से 5 कर दे.
Why should I pay more for your breads when other brands are cheaper and last longer? Sneha from Ahmedabad.
Sneha, the quality of ingredients that we are using today, they're very expensive, right? We're not using those chemicals that comes at cheaper price, which makes the breads last longer. हालांकि हम हमारे बैकएंड पे हम सारे एफर्ट्स ले रहे हैं कि इसको और अफोर्डेबल बना सके ताकि हम वाइडर ऑडियंस तक पहुंच सके. We are trying our best, but अब तक की जर्नी यहाँ तक लाई है हमें.
As founders, there's lots happening in the business and it's always buzzing. But there's not a day where I don't go through all the comments that we get on our groups / our social media, and I make it a point to address all of them. Right? fully aware of what comes in, what goes out. I think we'll do this more often. We'd love for you to send us more of these. Wherever you face a problem, be rest assured we're standing right here. We're not going to escape your comments. We'd be happy to address them time and again. Please reach out to us.